Huh?
I hear you recording.
Yeah.
I know.
God damn, you look clear as fuck.
New phone.
Huh?
I said you got a new phone.
Yeah, guys. Y'all
Finally.
know.
Finally updated to iPhone 7.
I got the iPhone 7. Yeah, I'm up there. Yeah. I had to be like every other YouTuber that get the new phone that comes out. But the thing different was me, I don't make as much money as they do, so.
So it took a little longer.
Yeah. But we're at Dunkin'. We're waiting for this. Don't say King. Don't say
His name.
Yeah. Waiting for King the Entertainer. But then I'm gonna end up saying his name on video.
I know. I always do. My
Again.
ear itches, but like the earring is in the way of where it itches.
What? Oh
On the
yeah.
back of the jacket it said 7-day weekend. I said, you are such a loser. You're a grown man. What are you doing?
I should have just did that in the beginning, because they're probably jumping into like, what is he talking about?
Yeah, I know. Talking about a guy on the bus last night when I was going home. He was a loser. He had a leather jacket on. It said 7-day weekend. And some of the letters were upside down.
Oh.
I'm like, you're a loser. I hate you.
So if y'all want the new exclusive hat,
Go pay
$300.
I said go pay for it yourself, and you said $300.
Oh. Well, no, this is limited edition, because this is the only hat out. But y'all gotta help me get big if y'all want one. If y'all want a visor that says Donnie T on it, wait, Donnie T.
Yeah.
Donnie T on it, get me big.
The hat has a lot of lint on it.
It does.
Yeah. I mean, you can't see it too much in the video.
I got this around Christmas.
Yeah.
So
It's a Christmas present from my sister.
So I didn't make this, but I will. Like if y'all help me get big, y'all can get this. We're already at 95. Let's get to 200,000. That'd be some shit.
You go vlog him eating a cupcake.
Yeah, because he wasn't in the vlog.
Oh, I got cupcake on my lip.
I got cupcake on my lip.
Oh, all right. So now I'm in the vlog. I can say it. Nigger. Oh, it's like no. It's like no.
Think my Donnie T, your channel has been banned.
George's brother was on the news.
For what?
NFL.
A what?
NFL.
I don't know. He just said his brother was on the news.
Yeah, because your brother probably getting drafted to the NFL.
He said it was a small CBS interview.
Yeah.
No, because you're all zoomed in. Get it?
I'm not.
Oh, all right, go. All right.
This crazy how this iPhone 7 camera is so fucking amazing.
Compared to your iPhone 6.
Yes. Like, I can see your pores.
So,
Look, Danny!
Oh.
so sometimes you know you want to eat a cupcake. You know, I eat cupcakes on Wednesdays sometimes.
Come on, say something so I can have a good title.
All right. Listen, buy my new mixtape, King Entertainer, out. Hate you guys, Jeremiah. I hope you die. It's like no, wait. Jeremiah, you're my best friend. George, what's up? Jeremy, buy his mixtape. Edwin, what up though? Donnie T, what's up though?
Danielle.
Danny, Dante gonna tell you about that later on.
Yep. So like Dante, I told you not to say that on camera.
Is this recyclable or no?
Yeah.
Yo, I can see like your root to your ear. Yo, it look like I'm looking at you with my eyes.
Guess what?
But I can see the dirt on
Guess
your
what?
shoe.
Guess what? Chicken butt.
I'm making that the title. Guess what? Guess what? Chicken ass. I'm about to pull this fire alarm.
No.
Yes, I am.
No.
What the hell is wrong with you, man?